Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Broadcast Studio. I'm Sarah.
And I'm John. Thank you for joining us today.
Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English learning content.
Yes, hit the notification bell too, so you never miss an update from us.
Today, we're going to talk about something very important and useful. Your morning routine. Talking about your daily habits and routine activities in English is a great way to improve your speaking skills.
Absolutely. So we will have a conversation between two friends talking about their morning. This will help you learn new vocabulary, expressions, and ways to describe your routine.
Let's start.
Good morning, Sarah. How are you today?
Good morning, John. I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. So, how was your morning?
My morning was quite good. I woke up early, around 6 o'clock. How about you?
Oh, I woke up a little later, around 7 o'clock, but I still had enough time to get ready.
That's nice. Do you usually wake up early?
Not always, but I try to wake up early on weekdays to be more productive. What about your morning habits?
Well, after waking up, I usually drink a glass of water. It helps me feel fresh and awake.
That's a healthy habit. I sometimes forget to drink water in the morning.
Then I do some stretching exercises for about 10 minutes. It helps me relax my muscles and prepares me for the day.
Do you exercise every day?
I try to. I think it's very important to keep fit.
I agree. I usually go for a short jog in the park after waking up. It makes me feel energetic.
That sounds great. After exercising, do you have breakfast?
Yes, I do. I usually have cereal with milk and a banana. Simple but healthy.
I prefer a bigger breakfast. I like to have eggs, toast, and some fruit.
What do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I take a quick shower and get dressed for work. It usually takes about 30 minutes.
For me, getting ready involves choosing my clothes carefully because I like to look nice for the day.
Yes, dressing well is important. After that, do you leave immediately for work?
Not exactly. I spend 10 to 15 minutes reading the news or checking my emails.
That's smart. I do something similar. I also plan my tasks for the day during that time. Let's pause here for a moment. Here are some useful expressions from our conversation. Wake up early. To get out of bed early in the morning. Drink a glass of water. To have water as the first thing after waking up. Stretching exercises. Simple movements to relax muscles. Jog in the park. To run at a slow pace outside. Have breakfast. To eat the morning meal. Take a quick shower. To wash yourself quickly. Get dressed. To put on clothes. Check emails. To read electronic mail. Plan my tasks. To organize what you need to do. Try to use these phrases when you talk about your own morning routine. It will make your English sound natural and clear.
Sarah, do you have any difficulties waking up early?
Yes, sometimes it's hard to get out of bed, especially in winter when it's cold.
I agree. The bed is so warm and comfortable those mornings.
Exactly. But I try to remind myself that a good morning leads to a good day.
That's a positive attitude. What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10:30 p.m., getting enough sleep helps me wake up early.
That's a good habit. I sometimes go to bed too late and feel tired in the morning.
Maybe you can try setting a bedtime alarm.
That's a good idea. I will try that starting tomorrow.
John, what do you usually do if you feel sleepy in the morning?
When I feel sleepy, I try to drink a cup of black coffee. It helps me feel awake.
Coffee is great, but sometimes I prefer green tea. It's lighter and refreshing.
Yes, green tea has many health benefits too.
Another thing I do is open the curtains to let sunlight in. Natural light helps me feel more alert.
That's an excellent tip. Sometimes I forget to do that. Also, I listen to music while getting ready. That keeps me motivated.
Music is very powerful. It can change your mood quickly.
Do you have a different morning routine on weekends?
Yes, my weekend mornings are more relaxed. I don't wake up early. I usually sleep until 8 or 9 o'clock.
I do the same. I like to enjoy a slow breakfast, maybe pancakes or waffles.
That sounds delicious. On weekdays, I don't have much time for breakfast, but on weekends, I like to cook.
Me too. Also, on weekends, I sometimes go for a longer walk or visit friends.
Weekends are perfect for rest and fun. Let's practice some question-answer pairs about morning routines. I'll ask and you answer, John.
Okay, ready.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 on weekdays and 8 on weekends.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I like oatmeal with fruits and a glass of milk.
What do you do after breakfast?
I take a shower and get dressed for work.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I go jogging for 20 minutes.
How do you feel after your morning routine?
I feel refreshed and ready for the day.
Here are some useful expressions to describe your morning. I like to start my day with, my morning routine usually includes, after waking up, I prefer to have a healthy breakfast because sometimes I have trouble waking up early to stay energetic, on weekends, I like to.
Practice using these sentences to talk about your own morning. You can mix and match them or add your own details.
Sarah, why do you think it's important to have a morning routine?
I believe morning routines help us organize our day better. When you have a structured start, you feel more focused.
That's true. Also, a good routine can improve your health. Drinking water, eating breakfast, exercising. These all make a difference.
Plus, morning routines reduce stress. You know what to expect, and you don't have to rush.
Yes. Having a plan helps you stay calm and productive.
What about you, Sarah? What's the best part of your morning?
For me, it's the quiet time before everything starts. I enjoy reading or meditating for a few minutes.
That sounds peaceful. I should try meditating sometime.
Let's review some key vocabulary from today's conversation. Routine, a set of usual activities. Stretch, to gently pull and lengthen your muscles. Energetic, feeling full of energy. Relaxed, feeling calm and not stressed. Motivated, feeling ready to do something. Structured, well organized. Meditate, to focus your mind for relaxation. Quiet time, peaceful moments without noise or activity.
Try using these words in sentences about your mornings. Here are some examples. I like to start my routine by stretching. After jogging, I feel very energetic. I meditate for 5 minutes to relax. Having a structured morning helps me stay motivated. Sarah, do you prefer morning or evening activities?
I prefer morning activities. I feel more productive and cheerful in the morning hours.
I'm more of an evening person, but I'm trying to become a morning person.
It's not easy to change your habits, but it's worth it.
Yes, especially when you see how much time you have in the morning for yourself.
What's your favorite thing about mornings?
I like the fresh air and silence before the city wakes up. It feels like a new start.
That's beautiful. Mornings give us a chance to reset and prepare for the day.
Sarah, do you help anyone in the morning, like family members or kids?
Yes, I do. On weekday mornings, I help my kids get ready for school. Sometimes I prepare their breakfast or pack their bags.
That's very thoughtful. Helping others can be part of your routine, too.
Definitely. It makes me feel good, and it teaches responsibility.
I sometimes help my parents in the morning around the house. Small tasks like watering the plants or feeding pets.
Do you ever have challenges in your morning routines?
Yes, sometimes I feel rushed, especially if I wake up late or have a lot to do.
I've had mornings when I forgot important things, like my keys or lunch.
That's stressful. What do you do to avoid that?
I prepare things the night before, like clothes and bags. That saves time in the morning.
That's a good tip. I also set alarms and reminders on my phone.
Me too. Technology helps a lot. What advice would you give to someone who wants to improve their morning routine?
I would say start by waking up 15 minutes earlier than usual and add a small healthy habit like drinking water or stretching.
Yes, small changes make a big difference. Also, prepare things the night before to reduce morning stress.
And create a checklist to follow each morning until it becomes a habit.
Don't forget to give yourself time to enjoy the morning. Listen to music, read, or just relax a little.
That's right. A happy morning sets a positive tone for the day.
To practice English, try talking about your morning routine with a friend or even record yourself.
You can ask questions like, "What time do you wake up?" or "What do you eat for breakfast?"
Speaking regularly helps build confidence and improve vocabulary.
Watching videos or listening to podcasts about daily routines also helps.
Quick tips for our viewers. Use simple sentences and present simple tense when talking about routines. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. or I eat breakfast at 7.
Add time expressions like first, then, after that, and finally to make your story clear. Practice commonly used phrases such as I start my day by, I usually, and sometimes I.
And don't worry about mistakes. The important thing is to speak and practice every day. Well, that's all for today's episode about talking about your morning routine in English.
We hope this conversation helped you learn useful words and phrases to describe your mornings.
Remember to like this video and subscribe to English Broadcast Studio for more helpful English lessons.
And share your morning routine in the comments. We love to read your stories and practice with you.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you next time.
Goodbye.